Hi angels, happy holiday. Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna be making, I'm calling this video like a ugly Christmas bow dress, if that makes any sense. So after making recreating the Beyonce ugly cardigan, I was like, I still have all these bow left over. What am I gonna do with it? So I got the idea to just add it onto this silk dress that I got from Romwe a while back ago, like years ago. So yeah, that was like the whole inspiration for it. So you're gonna need some Christmas bows. I got some from Amazon, some from the dollar store, some from Kroger's, like all over the place. Then all you're gonna need is some scissors. Well, you don't really need scissors, but you're gonna need some type of glue, like a hot glue gun or E60 glue. In the beginning of this video, you guys are going to be seeing me use the hot glue gun, but it started melting the bows, so I end up using the E60 glue, leaving it overnight for it to dry, and just like that, it was good. But I didn't show when I was using the E60 glue. Sorry about that, but yeah. So first thing first, starting out all of the bows. I got some really small ones, I think at the dollar store, because I wanted some to be at the top of the dress, like a little A-line V-neck type of thing. So I got some small bows. So with any bow that you get, Christmas bow, it comes with this thing at the back, like this tape or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is, you don't have to do it. Well, what I wanted to do was take it off. I can't talk, but what I'm gonna do is take it off, and then I'm just gonna glue it on. I feel like it feels so much better because you don't see the white part of it. You don't see the bow. You don't have to do it. You can just leave it on, then just add the glue, and it should be fine. I didn't try it that way, so I don't know if the glue is going to slip off or what's going to happen. I just peel it off, and that's how I did it. So now this part is really boring. I'm just taking the back off all of them because I'm going to use it all of them on the dress. So it's going to be very, very boring. But yeah. This is like a cute little ugly Christmas dress that you can wear to like a Christmas party or whatever, just in case you don't want to wear a ugly Christmas sweater or anything like that. So yeah. So the first thing is adding on some hot glue and then just placing it wherever I want to place it. So the small ones, I told you guys is gonna be at the V part of the dress. So I'm just gonna do it all the way around and then underneath the arms, and then I'm gonna add some of them at the bottom part of it, the bottom part of the dress. So yeah, that's what's gonna be happening. I finished making a dress, I'm gonna say like 5 to 10 minutes, not counting how long it took it for it to dry, because obviously I told you guys I used the E60 glue, and then I just left it overnight for it to dry. But this video should not take you long to make. It's pretty quick and easy. Yep. Do. So I just did that little V. Now I'm going to be going underneath the arms to add some more. You see how fastly I'm just going with this? Just add a little glue, then just placing it down. This super easy. I forgot the other side, but in the end I went back because I was looking at it like, why doesn't this look right? But I was rushing. Not really rushing, I got into the flow of this adding glue, placing it down, adding glue, placing it down, and just like that, it was good. I was worried that since I wasn't doing the back, that you would have seen the back like when I read the dress, but you could not have seen it. So I'm pretty happy about that. Just a quick little like FYI, if you're using if you're using a hot glue gun, whenever you use a hot glue gun, it leaves like a strand. That's what I'm calling it. Like whenever you add the glue, then it leaves like an extra glue that can be pulled off. I would suggest not pulling it. Just wait until it's dry. Just give it like a 5-10 seconds, and then you can remove it. Because if you do pull it off, then you will be moving the bow, and then the glue will just go all over the place. It's just gonna leave it a mess. So just leave it for it to dry, and it does mess it up. Yep. So now we're going to be getting to the fun part. We just finished adding on the small bows. So now it's time to add the big, well, oh yeah, I forgot about that side. So after we finish this little corner right here, it'll be time to add on the big bow. You don't have to do it. You can just leave it at like this, just the way how the dress is right now. And just wear like a black cardigan and some boots, and you'll be good. But I wanted it to be like Christmassy, so I'm gonna be adding on the big bows. So that's what I'm doing right here. Just adding a little glue, just going it straight across. It doesn't have to be perfect. I have some big ones and I have some small ones, so wherever there is like space, then I'm gonna add the little ones in between it. So that's the good thing. Oop, I got hiccups. So yeah, those are the ones. Just glue where whatever pattern you can do, like straight red across, like straight green across, or whatever. I just wanted to mix everything up together. That's basically what I do. Always mix things. So yep, this is what I'm doing. Just mixing. Adding on a lot of glue because you need it to stick right there on the dress, and you do have to press down on it. Even though it's hot, you gotta press down on it. That's the sacrifice you're gonna have to make. I'm sorry, but that's true. You're gonna have to press down on it. Yep. So now I'm trying to get an idea, like if I'm gonna have enough. So I'm just placing all of the bows like all over the dress just to see if I had enough, and then just adding on the glue. I thought this would be easier because my glue gun was starting to act up. I kept on pressing on it, it wasn't working. So why not just add the glue onto the fabric and then just add the bow on top, and that works pretty good. That works just as good. Yep. I need to get a different glue gun because this one is giving me a lot of problems. This is basically like the whole video. Maybe I'll edit out and then stop it right here and let's get to the end, or just keep it moving. I like the red ones. The red ones had some glitters on it. They look so cute. I have more reds than anything, so you guys will be seeing a lot of it. A lot of reds. So this is where I'm gonna be placing the bows like all over the dress, just to fill it up, because all of these bows that I'm putting on the dress right now, these are the ones I'm gonna use the E60 glue. E60 glue instead of using a hot glue gun, so that it doesn't burn up the whole of the back of the dress. Not the dress, the bows, because I didn't want to waste any of them just in case. So that is what I'm doing. Don't worry, all those little spaces, black spots, when I started gluing on everything, I still had some little ones left over. Those ones that I have in my hand right there. Are you ready for this dress? Because I don't think you are. This is how this gorgeous dress turned out. I paired it with this black turtleneck and these black leggings and some black flat shoes. And this little reindeer headpiece that I got. So, yeah. Doesn't this just look so ugly? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So yeah, that's how that turned out. I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whichever one. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. And that's how the back is. I just left the back just the way it was, because it does look good together. I can wear it all black and all that. And then the dress is just so colorful, so you can see me from like a mile away, even from outer space. Okay, I'm done rambling. Bye, happy holidays. See you in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. I don't know what song I'm dancing to, but I have no rhythm. God bless my soul. But this was pretty fun.